Hello then. Let's take a look at the weather story then for South Asia. And if we start off with a satellite picture, it's picking up a good deal of fine weather as you'd expect at this time of year. It's also picking up this intense shower cloud that's moving towards Sri Lanka once again. But what it's not picking up is the fog that's stubbornly sitting across the far northwest, some of that dense in places and lingering throughout the day. But there will be a change as this area of rain moves out of Pakistan towards New Delhi. It will strengthen the winds. That's going to help lift that fog, so an improving picture as we go through the next few days. Let's take a look at what to expect though across Central Asia. A good deal of fine dry weather, a lot of sunshine around at the moment. Not looking too bad out towards the west across parts of Turkmenistan. Up into Kazakhstan it's pretty cold, not as cold as it can be mind you, but nevertheless still sitting in some cold air. There's that wetter weather I was pointing out, a narrow band but intense winds to go with it. Further south it stays fine and quiet, but there could be some very heavy outbreaks of rain across Sri Lanka as we go into the next few days. Let's take a look at some of the city forecasts in a little more detail. We keep that cold but sunny theme going in Kazakhstan. Eventually the fog will ease as the rain goes through, but then set to return as we move into the middle of next week. Showers continue in Sri Lanka. Hello there. Not that much in the way of significant weather to talk about across the bulk of Africa. There's a storm potentially arriving towards the north of Madagascar for the start of the weekend. But elsewhere, we've still got some very heavy rain across the far northeast of South Africa. That's going to be impacting Botswana, parts of Zimbabwe, as well as Mozambique. Now, to the north of that, it's a quieter story. A lot of fine weather around and just a few scattered showers, just threatening perhaps parts of the north coast of Tunisia and Libya, with an area of low pressure sitting across the central Mediterranean. So this is the story over the next few days. You can see that good slice of fine, quiet weather, a lot of sunshine to be expected. We're still running the risk of a few scattered showers elsewhere, particularly as you can see across Lusaka and into Johannesburg. On the whole, Cape Town will stay largely fine and quiet, maybe a shower cropping up into the early half of next week. And staying with the theme of showers, there will be a few running their way north and east across Iraq and Kuwait. A quieter picture eventually starting to develop across Saudi Arabia, and south of that through the United Arab Emirates there will be some sunshine and a pleasant feel with temperatures into the mid-20s. But still the risk of some showers for the start of the weekend in Baghdad, but then the weather story is set to improve. Take care.